Magluluto tayo ng Oat Bran Muffin. Ito, wet one, and then flour, raisins, egg, then vegetables oil, salt, yes, baking soda, vanilla, then baking powder, and brown sugar. That's all. And green cheese. Okay, 1.5 brown. Yes, brown. 1.5. And then 1 cup flour. Yep, 1 cup. And 1 cup flour. We need 1 cup milk. Yep. Yeah, 1 cup milk. And mix natin dito sa ating bran. Oat bran. Yes, this is. Mix natin siya for 10 minutes. Need that. I see. Yeah, mix natin siya for 10 minutes. Then, siset aside natin. So, minix natin. Siset aside natin siya for 10 minutes. Itong shepherd natin isang 1 cup of flour. Kalagyan natin ng ating baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Yeah. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Teaspoon. Yep, 1 teaspoon baking soda. And then, okay, I will just half teaspoon of salt. Another one is the egg. 1 egg. And then the 1/3 cup of oil, vegetables oil. But I put some butter. Vanilla.
Look, I think the whole thing of January 6th was essentially a setup.
Yan, mix na natin sila. Together, yep. Yan na yan. So, and I'll add natin yung brown sugar na 2/3 cups dito. Mix natin sila together. Yeah. Need to mix it.
To destabilize our democracy and rewrite the history of the worst attack on our Constitution since the Civil War.
Yung set aside natin na flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. So we will mix natin sila dito. Mix together. Yep.
That's unforgivable. I mean,
yeah. So we need to mix like that. Kuhanin na natin yung ating bran, oat bran, at saka yung kaninang milk na binix natin. Bimix natin sila. Dito, lalagay natin.
Sometimes God,
yep.
Well, He works in mysterious ways, and sometimes He gets us ready for things that are about to come. Was that a period of preparation?
Yep. So, ito na siya.
That role, that time was.
So, we need to mix them. Natin mix.
I'll be right back with.
Lang na mix.
Why is he ignoring his granddaughter?
Yeah.
Has a granddaughter.
So you can see. I-mix na natin sila mabuti. And then we will put raisins, yeah. Yeah, add the half cup of raisins. Half cup. So mix again.
For veterans recovering from the wounds of war.
Mix it. Okay. So ready na siya. Ilalagay sa ating baking pan. Eat the mixture. And we need to get the muffin pan. Yeah. This 1 dozen. Yep. This is it. And we will need to spray.
Loyalty, officially defined, stands for
Bigly. So good.
build the wall.
Then Mr. Trump said, "You're fired." I love that part. The truth is, there's only one person who can make America great again.
See, I mean, DeSantis, he kind of stole his whole act from Trump. But there's this. The president did not say that DeSantis could be president someday. And I have a feeling someday these two will make up.
This is it.
After Donald Trump wins the election. Okay?
This is it.
We didn't
Yeah.
probably enough time on the book. So I want to put a couple things out right now. Letters to Trump. Letters he shared with celebrities and...
Need to cook for 375 Fahrenheit. Ang ating oat bran muffin, bracelets of bran muffin sa 15 to 20 minutes. So I will do it 18 minutes. Ay, sorry. We'll just... Oh. Okay.
I don't imagine that there are two people around who are thought of as tougher than the two of us.
Set
I'll be right
18 minutes. Start. Yeah.
Newsletters, shoots, and strut.
No.
Our muffin.
They don't tell me how to think.
Oh my goodness. It's almost done.
So the government didn't want to bring their own witnesses to the stand because
1 minute more.
worked for the FBI, but the crime.
So 3 seconds. So
Keep your phone. Or choose from the latest iPhones and
we're
Androids.
done.
All with no contract, no hassle, and no hidden fees. Just $30 a month for talk, text, and high-speed data. The average family saves over $75 a month by switching to Pure Talk.
Oat bran
Nowadays,
muffin.
that's money
Oat
that can really
bran
come in handy.
muffin. So we need to live.
Sacrifice. Surrendering your desires for the sake of someone else.
Need to live.
The sacrifice our nation's greatest heroes have made for your gift, no matter how small, helps
Okay.
veterans and their
Let's
families
see
get the benefits
our
they need and deserve.
raisins bran.
Call or go.
Been unable to hug your grandkids
Shred
the
it.
last 7 months.
Look at it.
I got 6 of them.
This is it. Yeah.
No, 7, actually. 7. Even back then, 2020. 7 grandkids, because one of them goes unacknowledged by Joe Biden and Hunter Biden. That little kid there is Navy Biden. Well, actually, the mom wants to.
This is it.
The President of the United States brings this guy to Ireland.
Yeah, they're cute. Ghosts fly high. Look at that. Our neighbor house. Sweet something. Yeah, he moves, walk. Yeah, I think he wants to fly. Ready to fly. Oh, fly. Hey dear, 2 of them. Yeah, in our garage.
Oh, they're on the garage?
Yeah, the top of the roof of the garage. Yeah, come here, my dear.
I see from here.
Oh. Oh, just the one. Yeah. Oh, they're couple, I think. What do you think?
Maybe
they're
twin
couple?
sisters, twin brothers.
Oh, yeah.
How do you know? Maybe they're
They're so big. They walk.
they have no sex.
Your coconut.
Maybe they
Yeah.
change regularly.
Yeah,
Well, the
nice.
small ones, you should see them when they beat.
It is big. Or you can catch them and then make them meat. Their meat is delicious, eh? As they said. I heard to somebody that they're eating that. Goose, bzz, bzz. Come on down. That one is sitting. He's tired, but they're looking. They're looking water.
They're not looking water.
What they are looking? I'm waiting you to fly one. Yeah, getting ready. Lilipad na siya. Yung isa ay lumipad na. Yep. They like to stay an hour. Courage. Come on. Lumipad ka na. I'm waiting. Fly, fly, fly. Where's your body? Your body's gone. Yeah, he's starting walking. Yeah. Come on. Can see you now. Oh, I'm like, oh, I scared. I scared them. What's going on? Oh, I scared them. Sorry for that. Yeah, they're gone.